Hi, are you a business owner? Are you about to start your business and you wanted to invest your money in digital marketing for the growth of your business? But you are confused. What is digital marketing? What is social media marketing? Yes, this. Overwhelmed.
Wait a minute. If you are the type, this video is for you.
Firstly, digital marketing is a body of using internet and other forms of digital communication includes Google Apps, search engine optimization, SEO, social media, and others. While social media marketing is one of the digital marketing channels of reaching your customers. So digital marketing and social media have a stable relationship with one another. Like this, yes. These two have a bond in such a way that nothing without the existence of the other elements. In order to yield utmost productivities and performance out of your business, then utilize digital marketing and social media as much as possible. By this rapid utilization of these two, you can drive the traffic to your business in the best way. My name is Elijah Ogumba, your digital marketing expert and website development. If you need any assistance in your business or you are about to start a business and you need online marketing strategies, website development, marketing campaign in digital marketing world, feel free to contact us or book an appointment with us with the information on the screen. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to do this: subscribe, like, and comment so that you can see our next informative video on your screen.